Alright guys, I got a leaking tire here. Alright, let me show you guys where the tire is leaking from. Right there, right? So I just want to show everyone, all I did here was customer went to 2-3 places. They told them all kinds of crazy stuff. Alright, I'm recommending him a new tire because of cut right there. Alright, he's gonna go pick up a tire, but this tire is leaking from the bead here. All I did was took some soapy water. I put dishwasher soap in it and I sprayed it around, all around, right? And as you can see, the result is it's leaking. So if you go on the opposite side, same thing, all right? Tire's leaking from the bead right there, all right? And it's leaking right there. So it's leaking from several places. Even if he puts on a new tire, it's gonna leak. All right. So the best thing to do here is, and he got a valve leaking right there too a little bit. I can see it coming out. All right. His valve is leaking also right there. All right. So he's gonna go pick up a tire, and I'll mount the tire for him. But the new tire will leak. All right. If you don't follow the instructions and if you don't watch the video complete and you get new tires, they're gonna leak. All right, even if you're changing your tires and the tires leak, the problem here is, see this chrome usually crack from inside. It's even leaking right here, so it's leaking everywhere, all over, right? And look how much is bubbling around the valve right there. All right, so we need to dismount this tire. You need to clean around where the bead sits, so the rim has to be brushed down, replace that valve. All right, and even if you can put some bead sealer on it. This is a bead sealer. This is like 15 bucks. You get that bottle right there. But clean it first, guys. So I'm gonna dismount this tire. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna clean it off. You're not gonna see me cleaning it off, but all you need is a wire brush and you brush it all around. Let me show you a little brush I have here. You know, this is just show and tell. See this wire brush right here? It's like a toothbrush. You just go all around, or you can even get a bigger brush. All right, that brush is like you can pick it up from one of the hardware stores for like 10 bucks. All right, clean all around. All right, so if you're getting new tires, make sure you tell them to clean your beads around the rim, so the new tires doesn't leak. All right, because they will leak regardless. So let me dismount this, and then I'll show you what's inside and what needs to be done. All right. Alright guys, so I got the rim off, and as you can see, look at all this contamination here. This is all snow, salt, dirt, alright? And there's the bead all bubbled up right there. Alright, it's all around, guys. You can't just throw a bead sealer on this because that's not gonna work. Alright, and you need to clean this off really well and then mount the tire. If you're remounting the tires, make sure you clean the tire as well. All right, this customer is gonna give me a new tire, so I'm gonna put on a new tire, but I'm not gonna be waiting to record all that. But there it is, guys. So do clean the bead all around, replace the valve. You could pick up a set of like 5 valves for like 10 bucks, probably under 10 bucks. All right, so that's it, guys. If you're gonna put in the new tires, you could tell if you're buying tires from one of the wholesale places like BJ's or Sam's Club, Walmart, just tell the guy, so you know, tip the guy, you know, because it's not their jobs to do this, because they get, when I used to work for BJ's, they tell us to mount tires. We dismount 5 tires, 4 tires, including the spare 5 tires, and we'll put on the new tires. All right, they're not gonna do this for you. Just tip the guy, tell him to take care of you, clean the beads for you. All right, and that's it. As simple as that. It's better to do it before and then redo it again, and tomorrow morning you wake up brand new tires and they're down to the ground. All right, so there it is, guys. All right, I hope you liked the video and I hope this helps you, and this is a little bit of information I can give you guys. All right, so thank you, and I'm gonna clean this up, put bead on it, change that valve, and that's it. It's good to go.